the wrench.
How do I work it?
How do you work it? It just goes down.
What's this dude's?
That's a screwdriver. Yep, that's for that. It's only fake though. So you just
Vented disc brakes. Vented disc brakes.
Careful, you're gonna break it.
Formula 1 tires.
This one? Which one? Like this? Water, I love it, water. I love it, water.
Nalalago na siya.
Water, water, water.
You guys fixing your car? Does it need